Happy Monday everyone, it's September 16, 2024 and it's a beautiful Monday morning. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na nasa buhay natin at mga blessings na darating pa din kasama ang mga pagsubok, mga trials and challenges ng buhay natin which makes our life more beautiful, wonderful, and exciting. At siyempre huwag natin kalimutan yung mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials. Pasalamatan natin sila. At pati na rin yung mga taong nakikimarites lang din doon sa paligid natin. Shoutout to kay Glenda, Glenstone, Kipuchi, Margie Crane, Cecil Boris, Mamalu, Luis and Susan, Henry Carly, Mandana Medina, Melody Acosta, Joey Moreno, JJ Origenes, Joel Pistolante, James and Raymond Dipamente, and kay Boss Ricky Alisna. Ayun. Kina Janet Banaag, Analdi Calvadores ng Malaybalay City, Bukidnon, Gemma David, Inday Araso, Angie Sarmiento, Ruby Cortez, Elizabeth Guevara, Angel Inario, Mabel Andres, Elisa Torres, Rachel Pastolero, at kay Eds My Love. Ripples of the day natin po is, people must learn and work hard to save themselves before they can look up to their rulers, governments, or the divine for salvation. Yun, kita din man po, parang riddle yata eh. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed Monday, everyone.